This is it! Samsung has just officially announced the Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera, the brand new 200 megapixel Isocell HP2 sensor. The real breakthrough is indeed here. It's time to break everything down and let you guys know exactly what is new compared to last year's Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung's biggest megapixel jump since the Galaxy S20 Ultra back in 2020 is now officially done. With almost twice the megapixels, you're not only gonna get more detail but also faster shutter speed than before, meaning the 200 megapixel processing will be faster than S22 Ultra's 108 MP processing. You definitely won't have to wait for ages for your phone to process these high quality images. Also, we have Tetra 2 pixel, which is the new binning technology in order to unlock the best low light performance on any Galaxy flagship out there, to the point where you'll be able to take amazing night shots like never before thanks to the Astro hyperlapse mode. As for videos, the 8K at 30 frames per second is finally coming along with a wider field of view, which means there's definitely not going to be any crop that we used to see on the S22 Ultra's 8K video. We also have a brand new Super QPD autofocus tech, which is going to make this phone extremely snappy when it comes to autofocus in video, especially in low light. Along with this, for the first time, Samsung has introduced the dual slope HDR. This is going to handle the HDR performance just like a normal 12 megapixel mode, even when you're shooting in the high 50 megapixel mode. As we have seen in the past Samsung phones that whenever we shoot in higher megapixel mode, the HDR performance always takes a hit, but now thanks to dual slope HDR, this will be fixed. At 50 megapixel resolution, you should be able to get amazing detail while having great HDR performance. Lastly, we have Smart ISO Pro for video, which is going to improve the HDR as well as the frame rate when it comes to low light situations. There we go, the custom Isocell HP2 with Tetra 2 pixel technology is coming for the S23 Ultra. It's looking quite a bit promising, but let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now lastly, with all the leaks that we have, we're still not completely sure when it comes to the pricing of the Galaxy S23 series. According to some sources, there might actually be a slight price increase for the Galaxy S23 Ultra model, but at the same time, the base storage will be 256 GB. There are a lot of mixed reports on this, so we're not really sure about the pricing at the moment, but considering the market situation right now, it's gonna vary depending on the different regions. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts about the brand new Isocell HP2 sensor, which is the camera for the S23 Ultra. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.